So in question 26, we've been given two equations and we've been given 4 points, all in terms of r, which we're told is a real number, and we've been asked which of these points are on both equations, part of both equations. And there they are, equation 1 and equation 2. Now, you can be thrown here by doing lots of work without realizing something. And the thing is that equation 2 is simply a multiple of equation 1. It's effectively the same equation. Each term is multiplied by 5. So in a way, there isn't an equation 2. So all we've got to do is work with equation 1. So to investigate this further and get towards the answer that they want, let's make x the subject. That will give me the corresponding y value. So I get 2x is equal to 7 minus 3y, and therefore x is equal to 7 over 2 minus 3 over 2y. So in a similar way, let's make y the subject. And I get 3y is equal to 7 minus 2x, and y is equal to 7 over 3 minus 2 over 3x. So if I now sub that x equals r, the coordinate point will be x coordinate, which is just r, and the y coordinate will be r substituting into this equation here, which is 7 over 3 minus 2r over 3. Is that one of the options? Sadly not. So that doesn't work. So now let's sub y is equal to r. So our coordinate will be this equation here with r substituted, which is 7 over 2 minus 3 over 2r, and the y coordinate simply r. Is that one of the options? Yes, here it is. So that's the answer, and option B is the selection you should make.